Hi, I'm Christina.
I'm Andrew.
And this is part 2 of the Intro to Arduino series, and today we'll be covering LEDs. LED stands for light emitting diode. LEDs have two legs. One is shorter than the other. This is to be able to distinguish between the positive and the negative leg. The long leg is always positive, and the short leg is always negative. So for this tutorial, you'll need one breadboard, Arduino Uno, one LED, a 2K ohm resistor, and 4 jumper. So first you want to put the LED into the breadboard. Then you place the resistor on the negative leg of the LED. Then you'll connect the resistor to ground using one of the jumper wires. We have these little teeny ones, and they're the same exact thing as the other wires. Then you'll connect the positive leg of the LED to pin 13. And finally, you'll connect the entire breadboard's ground and 5 volts to the Arduino's ground and 5 volts. And now for the code. There's a link in the description to the code, or feel free to pause the video and type it yourself. I won't go into much detail about it because it is already commented. Upload and observe the LED. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to watch part 3 where we take a look at ultrasonic sensors. Bye! Okay, and so for the wiring, you want to put the LED into the... Okay, never mind. He's just doing whatever he wants.
Let's start over.